Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you our new import modal introduced in Erizos Studio version 3.1. The import modal can be accessed in two ways. We can either access it when we import pages from an easy page file, or if we use the paste with options, which can either be accessed using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+V or selecting it from the context menu like I have up here. So let's start with a few examples. Right now I have a very simple playlist with 2 pages. I can select these. I'm going to do Ctrl+C and I'm going to use the context menu to do the paste with options. This opens up our import modal, and in this example, when we're pasting pages into a playlist, we have the option to change the page ID. So by default it is set to auto ID, which will increment from the last ID in our playlist. So right now in our playlist we have pages 1007 and 1008. And the new pages that will be imported are 1009 and 1010. We can turn off the auto ID option and then set an offset. So now our pages are offset by 100. I can change these to 200, for example, and we get a preview here of what the new ID is of the page when it's imported. So I can go ahead and import these 2 pages, and you see that they've been created into our playlist. Now we can use this to move content across different shows or different servers as well. And in this example, I'm going to show you how we can copy content from one server to a new show on a different server. So here's my remote server. I'm going to create a new show, call this import demo, hit create. And this is a brand new show with no templates or anything. I'm going to go ahead and select paste with options. And we now get this additional section here for the templates. Because these pages that we are importing require a template that don't exist in this show, it's offering us to import these templates for us as well. So I can go ahead and click import. And what this has done, it has imported the template for us as well as the pages. Okay, so that way it's very easy to copy content that you've created in a playlist to a new show or to a new server as well. Let's jump back to our local server here, and I'm going to create a very simple UI on one of these pages. I'm just going to use the auto UI. Let's add an extra element just for fun, and we'll close this and jump back into Studio. So now we have a page with a UI. I'm going to go ahead and copy these 2 pages and jump over to my remote server. Again, I'm going to do the paste with options using the keyboard shortcut. And what we have here is a few things. So for the template, it already shows us that we already have a template that exists. And we have this additional option here, import user interfaces. Okay, Erizos Studio has recognized that we're pasting a page that has a custom user interface attached to it, and it's going to give us the option to import that as well. So I'm going to leave everything as it is, and I do want to import the user interfaces as well, so I'm going to select that. I can import the template. It will override our template. We get a very useful summary of what's going to be happening here. So we're adding a total of 2 pages, 1 template, and 1 user interface. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click next. Because we have user interfaces attached to this paste operation, we get this additional step where it allows us to select which user interfaces we want to import. So in this example, I only have 1 user interface, but it could be that you're copying a playlist or content with multiple user interfaces, and you only want to select several of them or not all of them, and you can do that from this option. Okay, so that looks good. I can click import, and we now have imported the user interface as well as the pages, as well as the template. So this is a very powerful feature, allowing you to easily copy content between shows, between different servers, to increase your productivity as quickly as possible. Thank you for watching, and as I said at the beginning of this video, this feature is available from version 3.1 in Erizos Studio and later.